Master English Skills 2024.
Conversation.
I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are.
Lesson 14.
He is. The explain.
Manager.
He is a manager. He is a manager.
Exercise.
Pilot.
He is a pilot.
Student.
He is a student.
Architect.
He is an architect.
Scientist.
He is a scientist.
Businessman.
He is a businessman. He is a pilot. He is a student. He is an architect. He is a scientist. He is a businessman.
If you're finding value in these lessons, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a comment below.